quick, easy way to figure out that this, this total crap about your neighbours firing microwave guns at you. There you go. You got to get one of these fluorescent lights, whichever wall that you believe they're firing these weapons at you. Just wave it about. You can even do it on ceilings, on walls, whatever you think your neighbours are there. And they've got this big microwave magatron weapon at you. Just wave one of these bulbs about, and if it was happening like that, wouldn't it? It would light up. It doesn't, does it? That's because it doesn't work like that. Okay? Stop listening to all the bullshit online.